How to order printed customized paper bags. This is how you do it. Head down to shop.dillicpackaging.com. Once you reach this page, click on Customized Packaging. Just hover your cursor above it and you will come to Customized Paper Bags. Drag down to Customized Paper Bags, click on it, and you will come into this section. Now once you reach here, you will see that each of these have got different requirements. One is a bag of 1C print, and on the other side is up to 4 colors. Click on what you want, go on into the page, and you will see that there are many different sizes for you to choose from. And the prices are listed there. Once you've decided how much you want, go and click on the dimensions that you're looking at, add to cart, view cart, and you can proceed to checkout. Once you proceed to checkout, an email will be sent to you. In that email, you will have to send in your artwork. Thank you.